Well, I forgot to do it last night, so I'll just do it this morning. Right here was my tent spot last night. I just got in tired. Forgot to do the closing video. So this is our sunrise this morning. And looks like that's what we're walking into. So could be a wet day. We'll see. Headed into Cuba today. Alright, good morning everybody. Got another day. And that is a big giant hole down here. We're maybe a mile or so in. Got some rain clouds in the forecast, but maybe we'll be able to walk past it. We are headed to Cuba today. It's 20 plus mile day. So we're just gonna be trucking along. We got McDonald's in our future. Yummy. And this is what we're seeing. Looks like we might have a lot of little ups and downs today. If we're lucky, it'll flatten out. So I'm gonna put this away because I'm breathing hard already. All right, another great view this morning. A view of what we're seeing today. Lots of this big rock and just crossing huge cliff walls and canyons and stuff. This is not part of the trail, but I mean, so far all day long it's overcast, and we might get some rain, maybe even some snow, because it's chilly too. But once again, last 3 days, great views. All right, everybody, just cruising down the road here. Actual big rock. That's to the left of me. That's to the right of me. We are hoping that all of this overcast stuff blows by us. But I already learned on this trail that weather changes in a second, and even though it may look like rain, it could be snow or hail. You never know. But about a quarter of the way done with the day. We are looking forward to getting into town. 5-day stretch, which is over 100 miles. So can't complain about the mileage we're getting. And we're gonna hold up in, I found out from the locals that the town is called Cuba, not Cuba. So I'm gonna start calling it Cuba from now, be politically correct. So that's where we're headed, and I'll do more later. So that boulder sitting on top of that golf tee there. Interesting. And we're going up. That's where we're coming from. That's where we're headed to. It's like climbing Katahdin. All right, so middle of the day, and we're getting a little bit of rain on us, but hopefully that won't make it here. And that is an incredible view right there of the rain coming across. But it sounds like to me we're getting some. Getting loud, getting more. Another amazing view today. Getting them in spades. All right, so once again, another crazy view. We turn the corner and boom, here it is. All of a sudden, this trail sneaks up on you. You think you're looking at the same thing over and over again, and then you get something like this. Food truck. Unbelievable.